This dish was my mom's like favorite. She used to make this dish very good, and I used to love it when she makes it. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make Sayadiyi. It's rice with fish, and the ingredient that we need the spices for it: turmeric, chili powder, white pepper, salt, and crushed pepper. Rice, I already soaked them. We need the fish. You can get any kind of fish you want. I get the tilapia. You need the fillet. And we need onion. We need to make with it tahini sauce. We need the tahini. We need the lemon juice, 1 garlic, and for garnish we need some pine nuts. It's optional, and parsley. So we want to start with the rice. I have here 2 cups of rice, already basmati rice. I already soaked them. I'm gonna mix them with 4 cups of water and salt, turmeric, and olive oil. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil, half a teaspoon, turmeric, salt, until all the rice take all the yellow color. The long grain basmati rice, each cup takes 2 cups of water. Now I'm gonna cover it. When it starts boiling, I will turn the heat down. And then we are going to start with the onion. I'm gonna cut the onion, Julian cut, very thin, because we want to fry it. Now I'm gonna turn the fire on to fry the onion. So you need to keep next to you a plate ready for the onion to take them out when they are done. Let's make a test to see if the oil is good. Little bit more. You need to hear the Make sure not to put too much onion at a time. They will take longer time to get crispy. So while I'm waiting for the onion to get crispy, I'm gonna start with my tahini. I made tahini with my shawarma video, but today I'm gonna make it a little different. I'm gonna put garlic with it. So I'm gonna put 1 garlic, put some salt, crush them together. While you're doing the tahini, just keep eye on the onion. Stir it. Almost done. And I'm gonna repeat that until I finish all my onion. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of tahini. I'm gonna put some water with it. See, now they are good. I'm gonna add the lemon juice, the water. I put here 1/3 cup of water, and you see they are little thick. I need them little looser, so I'm gonna add more water. You add little by little. Don't put too much at a time. Yeah, that's how I want them. Onion, it will get like little soggy right away, so I'm gonna put the first one that I cooked one more time just to get it like little crispier, because the best thing of this dish, the crispy onion. So now we are going to start with the fish. I'm gonna keep this slow, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add black pepper, chili, crushed pepper, little white pepper, and little salt. You can add any flavor you want. Some people they add rosemary, you can add garlic, onion. Myself, I prefer it like that. My kids, they like it just like that. So I have a paper towel here. I'm gonna take the fish, try to dry it. Dry it, don't leave any water in it. See? And I'm gonna just cover it with this base, with the flour base that we have, and we will fry it. You need a little bit more oil just to cover it, but if you do it like this and you turn it upside down a little bit, it will be good. Fry it good. There is so many different ways to make sayadiye. Some people they just like they make the whole fish, they get the head, they boil it and they cook the rice with it. And so many ideas, so many recipes. For me, this is the best recipe I like. So simple, so easy. It's you can make it, anybody can make it. Just fry the fish, the rice, and the tahini, and the onion, of course, and you are in business. Sometimes I bake it too. It's good. I like it baked too. Usually fish 10-15 minutes, but still the fire, you know, like how high, how low the fire, it will affect too. So you have to use your judgment. This is 9 ounce. There is 6 ounce and 4 ounce. You can get any one you want, or you can use different white fish, whatever you like. It's very easy, very fast, like if you have company, if any people coming, so it will be very nice to display it. So you can shred it, or you can just leave it big pieces. I cut it like this because this is thicker than this one. I'm gonna put the 2 pieces. This small piece gets cooked faster. The rice is done. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna toast a little pine nut. Gonna drizzle some olive oil. Gonna toast the pine nuts. This is very, very fast. Look, you see? I'm gonna take them out because they are ready. Now I'm gonna check my tahini. You see? Look how thick now. Always tahini, if you let it sit a little bit, it will get thicker. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I'm gonna try them to see if the lemon is good, if the salt is good. The lemon is good, salt is good. For the sandwiches, for the falafel, the shawarma, you need it thicker. For this dish, you need it medium size. So now I'm gonna cut just little parsley for garnish. I don't know if the wind is gonna let me. So this is our sayadiye. It was so easy, so fast to make it. I put the rice in the bottom, the fish, the onion. I put some pine nuts, some parsley for garnish, the lemon, and here the tahini. I leave it on the side. Let everybody put as much as they want. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.